Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a Izzy and Liv unboxing for the month of June, and I'm so excited. I did get my package a couple months ago. Whoa. I did get my package a couple of days ago, and I could not wait to do this unboxing, okay? So here is my package. We're going to open it. Okay, so this is what this box looks like, month of June. So the first item is always their magazine. It is the Soul Vibe edition. The first item came in this package. I have to open it. Not really a fan of the way this smells. Okay, is this a rug? Oh, I think it's a rug. I'm sorry. This is a yoga mat. I mean, even if it was, it's kind of cute. Hold on. This is the picture. It's just a woman's body. Yes, so this is a yoga mat, you guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why I thought this would be a rug. Like, why would the rug be that long? I don't know. But it is a yoga mat, and I've never had a yoga mat before. Oh no. Oh hell no. What is that? I got something all over my pants. This shit is not coming off my pants. Oh my god. Ew. I'm pretty sure it came from that yoga mat. Oh, this is unacceptable. Okay, so moving on. So the next item is a water bottle that says relax, relate, and release. Now, I always like getting water bottles because I always need a water bottle. I can never keep up with mine, but it's just a wide opening. The next item is a keyring bag charm. Ooh, you know, I've always wanted to put like a lot of charms on my keychain. Ooh, this is cute. Look. The next item is this tote bag. It has this nice picture on the front. I really like the bags because I know they're gonna come in handy one day. Now the last item is the t-shirt that we get in every box. It's the same picture that was on that bag, but I really love this color. Oh, this color is cute. But yes, this is the picture. Color is beautiful. I really like it. I like this shirt. This shirt is really cute. So that is all that was in the box for the month of June. What did you guys think about this box? Did you guys like it? Did you not like it? Let me know. Yes, that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I appreciate all of you guys for coming. And until next time, bye guys.